Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Get ready to embark on a journey of innovation with the Tooton 2023 tablet, the epitome of power, style, and convenience. Imagine a world where responsiveness meets ultimate smoothness. Introducing the Tooton 2023 tablet, equipped with the Unisoc T610 Octa-Core Processor, boasting two 1.8 GHz A75 and six 1.8 GHz A55 processors. Whether it's video, music, work, or multitasking, this high-performance tablet has got your back. Storage anxiety? Say goodbye to it. With 4 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage, this Android 12 tablet allows you to download all your favorite apps seamlessly. And guess what? The TF card slot supports a whopping 1 TB, giving you endless space for photos, videos, and all your files. Feast your eyes on the 10.1-inch HD IPS screen with a 1280 by 800 resolution. The wider display and dual speakers deliver a stunning visual experience. Plus, the tablet comes with a reading mode, perfect for those marathon watching and reading sessions, ensuring your eyes stay protected. Stay connected all the time. The 2-in-1 tablet supports IEEE 802.11a, B per gram, and AC dual-band Wi-Fi. Connect effortlessly with 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, ensuring a seamless online experience in any scenario. The strong reception signal ensures you're well connected, no matter where you are. No more interruptions. The Tooton Android tablet boasts a 7,000 mAh long-lasting battery with a USB-C charging port. Enjoy extended entertainment and work time with a significantly shorter charging time. And for parents out there, the tablet comes with parental control features, allowing you to plan your child's tablet usage. But wait, there's more. The Tooton 2023 tablet comes with a complete accessory package, including a Bluetooth keyboard, wireless mouse, foldable case, stylus, charger, and USB-C cable. Transform it into a laptop or use it as a traditional tablet, it's your all-in-one solution. Elevate your tech experience with the Tooton 2023 tablet, the perfect gift for professionals, students, and everyone in between. And guess what? We've got your back with a 1-year manufacturer's warranty and dedicated customer service. Questions? Reach out anytime.